So, good day, everyone. We are the group two, and we are going to critique the three films that we've made. And here's the rubrics that we will going to follow to give points to the films. Yeah, proceed sa video. Hindi na.
So we will start. Hello, Dad. I'm already here at the airport. Plane just landed. Okay, Dad.
So, plot structure, I give 4 points because it is mostly complete plot but clear arc with minor consistencies in pacing or structure.
So the next, the character, I gave 4 points because character are clear and mostly developed. Some growth or motivation shown.
You play Daya, play.
So, kumusta yung flight? Okay lang din naman. Medyo may turbulence, pero okay lang din.
So,
So, let's head home na.
building. So I gave 4 points because setting is clear and appropriate, and some sensory or disruptive details presents.
And the team, I gave 4 points because team is present and mostly concerns some deep shown.
And in conflict and resolution, so I gave 5 points because conflicts engaging complex and resolved meaningfully.
And the use of literary device, I gave 5 points because multiple devices used creatively and effectively to enhance the story.
Play.
Google driving. How was your job on board, no? Um, okay lang din naman.
Stop yan.
Pero mahirap. Daming job orders na binigay ni...
So in dialogue, I gave 4 points because dialogue is mostly effective and also contributes to the story.
And the creativity and originality, I gave 3 points because story is somewhat creative, realized on familiar ideas or tropes.
So and format and structure. So I give 2 points. Some understanding of format, but inconsistent or unclear.
And the grammar, spelling,
Mechanic.
and mechanics, English, Tagalog, or Bisaya, I gave 4 points because minor errors but they do not interfere with readability.
Okay.
So the next video is so tayo lang iman din ni guys. Ano guys, literal na kuan
Literal.
mo siya guys, short film. Mo nang taniya. Hindi pagkanawa na wala guys kay kuan siya guys kana kuan ko sa story jud but kuan na siya na hindi siya mag-generate.
Undang apa? Ngayon.
Ingon.
Guys, kita na rin sa kanan.
Pila ka, magsiman ka.
Pinag-inawagin ko guys ko, kung kumagipay na ko.
Hindi ko pretty kay kana namin na.
Kapil naman ito. Usag na oras mo dra. Ano ba? Ginagawa sa kila?
So this video, the plot structure, I gave 4 points because mostly complete plot, clear art with minor
Consistency.
in pacing or structure.
So in characters, guys, I gave 4 points because characters are clear and mostly developed. Some growth or motivation shown.
And the setting, world building, I gave 2 points because basic setting is provided, limited description or connection to story.
So in theme, guys, I gave 2 points because theme is hinted at but not fully developed.
And the conflict and resolution, I gave 4 points because conflict is clear and resolved, may lack deep or complexity.
So in use of literary devices, I gave 4 points because some devices used appropriately and contribute to the story.
And the dialogue, I gave 2 points because dialogue is functional but may lack personality or purpose.
So creative and originality, I gave 5 points because story is highly imaginative and also original and engaging from start to finish.
So the format and structure, in short, script rating, I gave 4 points because mostly follows script format with minor error.
So lastly, in grammar, spelling and mechanics, English to Tagalog and Bisaya, I gave a 4 points because minor errors but they do not interfere with read- readability. Next video
So
man.
kani so yeah, explain sa nato sa kaning video ya kay
Sige, sige.
nice unta siya kung taas-taas pa ni nga film niya kay based sa mga sa character o sa kuan sa ilang team o sa ilang story about nila kay nice kayo sila
Nindot
kuan
gid
pero
bitaw.
bitin na kayo.
Kabitin lang, igihimo nga short, literal yun na short film, 2 minutes.
Nice na kayo mga character kay may mo acting sa
Nice
ba
na sila
mga tinuod ba.
Yes.
Yo, the next video is
Ours,
magatuwa dyan.
ato ana.
So there's our
Video, our film.
video guys. Kuan guys kanang saan na siya ka kinausahan natin sa tinawag.
Dako kaya siya pangandoy siyang ginabuhi. Di siya Dong, Elmer! Mata na dira rin na, kay mga na ta! So, ilang mga guys, kaya
Guys, nadili siya kasi sa kaniya guys gabi. Oh ma'am, wala na to. Kasi wala practice.
sexy kilang leave it.
Ma, niyot kayang sa nina, oh. Laro kayo ba? Bagay kinin ako ba?
So guys, this video guys kay
Ito na, bagay na sa imo.
Kunik
Ma.
na sa mga
Pa,
maritime.
gusto unta ko mo spilay na nga gusto ba? Kaya ngon sila, dako na nag-sweldo. Mapauswag sa pamilya. Pag-usap ko sa ganahan kong mudato ta, para makatabang ko ninyo.